Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn a really helpful skill in Power BI, specifically using Power Query, how to extract just the date and just the time from your data columns. If you've ever imported a dataset and found the date and time all mashed together in one column, and you wished you could split them apart for easier analysis, this video is absolutely for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable extracting the date and time into separate columns, making your reports not just cleaner but much more powerful. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is head to your table, the one holding your data that includes date and time together. You'll see the table listed under fields on the right or in your data window. Just locate it and give it a right click. This might seem like a simple step, but it's a crucial one. Right-clicking gives you access to a whole set of options for managing and transforming your data, including editing your query. Go ahead and select Edit Query from the menu. This action opens up Power Query, which is basically the backstage area for cleaning and shaping your data before it gets used in your dashboards. Inside Power Query, you'll notice a ribbon at the top with various tools. Now we want to add a new column because we don't want to overwrite our original information. It's usually best practice to keep the raw data intact and create new columns for your transformed values. Look for the Add Column option on the ribbon and click on it. This brings up a range of transformation options. It might take a moment to find if you're new to Power Query, but once you've got it, you'll see how flexible it is. Next, focus on the column that contains both your date and time information. Click on that column to select it. You'll see it highlighted. This step is important because whatever transformation you choose next will apply to the selected column's data. We want to break out just the date first, so make sure you've got the right column. Say your data looks something like 20/24/06/12/10/15/32. Our goal is to split the 20/24/06/12 part from the 10/15/32. With your column selected, look up at the drop-down menus on the ribbon in Power Query. You'll see options like Date, Time, and more. Click on the drop-down for Date, and from the list that appears, select Date only. What this does is tell Power Query to create a new column that pulls out just the date portion, so no distracting time data attached. If your data has different formats, don't worry, Power Query is pretty smart about figuring out standard date-time setups. Now let's get to the time part. Next to the date dropdown, you'll find the time dropdown. Click that and just like before, select time only. This will create another new column, this time extracting only the time element from your original values. It's a simple click, but it saves you tons of manual effort compared to splitting columns in Excel or typing out formulas. Sometimes, depending on your data size, Power Query takes a few seconds to process, so if you see a little loading icon, just hang tight, and there you have it. You'll now see right there in Power Query two fresh columns, one with only dates and one with only times. This setup is fantastic for when you need to filter your reports based on dates, create time-based visuals, or simply keep things tidy and easy to read. If you ran into any snags along the way, don't stress. A lot of these tools have helpful tooltips, and there's always undo if you need a do-over. Remember, the goal is to keep your data organized and easy to work with, so it's worth taking the time to get these transformations right. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, and if you've got any questions or want to see more Power BI tips, drop a comment below. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.